Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best handlebar phone mounts for motorcycles that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an adventure rider or a daily commuter, these mounts are built to keep your phone secure and accessible. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5 is the brcovan motorcycle phone mount holder. This mount stands out with its 8-claw wrapping design and a built-in vibration dampener, which reduces shocks from bumpy rides and protects your phone's camera from potential damage. Made from high-strength composite materials, it's durable and reliable in even the most demanding riding conditions. The design features a robust metal U-shaped mounting base that fits handlebars ranging from 0.5 to 1.26 inches in diameter. This is a versatile option for everything, from motorcycles to strollers and even ATVs. The mount is also 720-degree adjustable, allowing you to easily switch between horizontal and vertical phone orientations. The one-handed operation mechanism is convenient, but the overall installation process might take slightly longer due to the sturdy build. While the compatibility range, accommodating smartphones with a diagonal size of 5.4 to 6.9 inches, is decent, it's slightly limited compared to other mounts on this list. This mount is ideal for riders who prioritize vibration protection and a secure fit over ultra-quick installation. Pros include its rugged design and excellent vibration dampening. However, the slightly heavier build and narrower compatibility range may not suit everyone. At number 4, we have the joyroom motorcycle phone mount with its impressive 1-second auto lock feature. This mount is all about quick and secure operation, making it extremely user-friendly. The high-speed lock switch further ensures that your phone stays in place even at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The military-grade ball joint used in this mount provides enhanced durability, making it a great choice for daily use and long-term reliability. The joyroom mount is compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches and handlebars between 0.7 to 1.34 inches, covering most motorcycles, bicycles, and even strollers. Its 360-degree adjustable design lets you position your phone at any angle, which is perfect for navigation and quick access. While the one-handed operation is a game-changer, the mount's plastic construction might not be as robust as some of the higher-ranking options. This product is ideal for urban riders who value convenience and speed, but its build quality may not withstand extreme off-road conditions. Pros include the auto lock feature and ease of use, while cons include limited vibration dampening and a plastic-heavy build. If you're looking for a quick and straightforward solution, this one's for you. And number 3 is the lamicall motorcycle phone mount with its patented dual vibration dampener technology. This mount is engineered to reduce vibrations caused by high-speed rides, making it an excellent choice for protecting your phone's camera. The 4 damping springs and cushioned rubber pads on the corners ensure both stability and protection, even on rough terrains. What sets this mount apart is its sturdy alloy and composite plastic construction, offering both durability and lightweight functionality. It's compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 6.7 inches and handlebar diameters from 0.59 to 1.57 inches, making it versatile for a wide range of motorcycles and bikes. The one-handed operation and quick release mechanism are practical, especially for riders who are always on the go. This product is perfect for those who want a balance of vibration protection, ease of use, and durability. While it's slightly heavier than other mounts, the reliable build quality and anti-shake design make it worth the investment. Pros include its excellent vibration dampening and sturdy construction, while cons include its slightly more limited phone compatibility compared to others. The runner-up on our list is the joyroom motorcycle phone mount with its advanced dual vibration dampener system. This mount offers 95% vibration reduction, making it one of the most secure options for high-speed riders, even at speeds of 150 miles per hour. The all-metal construction of the handlebar clamp ensures durability, while the silicone padding provides extra protection for your phone. With compatibility for phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches and handlebar diameters from 18 to 34 millimeters, this mount is versatile. The one-press locking mechanism is intuitive and easy to use, allowing for quick phone mounting and release. Additionally, the 360-degree rotation feature ensures you can position your phone at the perfect angle for navigation or other needs. This mount is an excellent pick for high-speed and long-distance riders who demand both stability and security. Pros include its exceptional vibration dampening and robust build, while cons include its slightly higher price and bulkier design. If you're looking for top-notch performance, this is a strong contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the lamicall bike phone holder, which takes the top spot for its combination of simplicity, versatility, and performance. This mount features a unique corner-gripping design with a red lock switch for extra security, ensuring your phone stays firmly in place even on bumpy rides. The silicone pads offer excellent vibration dampening and prevent scratches, making it ideal for protecting your device. This mount is compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 6.8 inches and handlebar diameters from 0.59 to 1.57 inches. The easy installation process requires no tools, and the 360-degree rotation feature allows for effortless adjustment between vertical and horizontal orientations. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on stability, making it a popular choice among riders. The lamicall bike phone holder is perfect for riders who want a reliable, user-friendly phone mount without breaking the bank. Pros include its wide compatibility, secure locking mechanism, and ease of use, while cons are minimal, mainly the lack of advanced anti-shock features found in higher-end models. This mount offers the best all-around performance, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.